Excuse me, is this the correct line for checking in for the flight to Dubai?
Yes, it is. We'll be able to assist you right over here at counter number 3.
Excuse me, could you confirm the gate for flight BA205?
Certainly, that will be gate 12, just straight ahead.
Thank you.
You'll need to send your bag through the scanner right over there. Please make sure all electronics are removed and placed in a separate bin.
Excuse me, is this the correct gate for flight 721 to Dallas?
Yes, we are starting pre-boarding now, right through there.
Perfect, thank you. Good morning. May I see your passport and boarding pass?
Certainly. Here you are.
Everything is in order. Have a nice flight.
Thank you. We wish you a pleasant flight.
Thank you very much. Goodbye now.